Hello, you all, and welcome back to the channel. Today is January 25th, 2025, and as usual, I hope you guys had a wonderful day today. So, I'm hopping back on here today. I just found out some information for U.S. citizens. The U.S. citizens are being warned to carry their IDs with them, just in case they may run into immigration officers. U.S. citizens are being warned to carry their IDs with them as run ins with immigration officers ramp up across the country. Immigration and Customs Enforcement workers, ICE, are reported to be actively questioning and detaining individuals in the U.S. after President Donald Trump took office less than a week ago. Outlets have reported that even citizens have been detained in some of the said raids, causing concern among groups like Navajo Nation, whereas President Boo Nygren, I think that's how you pronounce it, warned members to carry their identification with them. While we understand that heightened awareness can trigger panic, we wish to emphasize that the best approach is to be prepared. Having your state ID is crucial. The Arizona tribal leader said that ICE actively had prompt anxiety and hysteria among community members. A raid in Newark, New Jersey this week allegedly resulted in a U.S. veteran being detained by officials, among other American citizens. New Jersey Representative Bonnie Watson Coleman warned on X, "It doesn't matter if you're a citizen who served our country in uniform, you too can be stopped without a warning or a warrant and shaken down for your papers." This was a quick video for you. I was just giving you a heads up on what's going on here in our country. Thank you for visiting Hello Today. Please like, subscribe, and share so you'll be notified when the next video is uploaded. This is Selena, and you guys have a great night. Bye.